Okay, I think it's time to start dismantling and removing the engine from our MGA. I've had a look in the owner's manual and there's about 38 steps, some of which we've obviously already done, like removing the seats and the floors to get to the prop shafts the other end. But the first job is marking and removing the bonnet. So it looks like we have to actually, I think what I'm going to do is get a pencil and mark around the edges of the bonnet hinges, and then I can work out maybe a little template or something to realign them both sides. So we've then got 3 little screws to remove each side. So I will get on and do that. Right, so let's mark, pencil mark around there. Now obviously these lines are going to come off when we get this bonnet stripped down or dipped. So I will try and make a little cardboard template. Okay. Make a little cardboard template and match those up when the bonnet's off. I'll get those bolts undone now. Okay, so it looks like we have got a 5/16 nut, or a bolt rather. And I'm just going to loosen those off a little bit. Yeah, good. And same with the other side. And then I'll go and get my helpful assistant. So usual problem, we've only got 2 bolts on that side, and that's already loosening off. Right, so I'll go and get someone to hold this while I release the other 2 bolts. So, bonnet's off, and the next job is to remove the radiator. Now, I've had a look underneath, and I don't think I can actually get to the drain plug, so I think what I'm going to have to do is just release the Jubilee clip off that bottom hose. Also, if you go over to the side here, we can see down there that this drain plug down here is also absolutely jammed. So I think I'm going to undo the Jubilee clip and drain it through the bottom of that front hose. So I can get a little socket on that. And that's coming apart quite nicely. Good, that's slackened off well. So I'll pull that bottom hose off and drain the fluid into a container. Okay, so we've managed to drain the radiator down via that bottom hose, and then the next job is to remove the hoses and the radiator. So that's a question of just Hopefully unwinding all the Jubilee clips. And everything is so tight. I just need to get a little bit of a screwdriver behind those and help them off. Off slowly. Oh, it's going around a bend. So let's push it onto that one. Let's get that one off first. A bit of water coming out maybe. That's coming off the thermostat. And that should then pull off there. Crikey, nothing's ever easy on these. Right, I think we'll go for this one now. Down there. Okay. So that is coming apart with a 932 socket. That one I've loosened already. And I think I'll need the screwdriver for these two. I'll just get those undone first. Right, all the little Jubilee clips are loosened, but these hoses are not going to come off easily, so I think what I'm going to do is take the radiator out. 3 bolts, 1/2 inch. We'll get those out. And then we'll remove the water pipes behind. This must have been replaced at some point. These bolts are actually quite new looking. Let's get those out. So hopefully that's all loosened. We can now start to just ease that out. There we go. Radiator out. And hopefully we can start thinking about removing these hoses more easily now. That bottom hose has come out. So I think we'll just get those out next. Good.